Let's go check out the T-Hawk camera. And there we go. Hello. Hi guys, it's Sunday afternoon. I continue to test this T-Hawk camera. I'm not giving up on this. I said before that I believe it's a game-changing technology, and here we are again. So in this case here's some classic false alarms that all of my fellow CCTV installers will be able to relate to. I don't know if you can hear that siren, hopefully so. Human is now selected. Nothing. Perfect. Now, I still believe this is the best. And now, single button disarming feature. So once again, me, human. Wait for it. Disarmed. Nothing. No siren, no audio. As you see, the device is now disarmed, single button. I'm not changing my mind on this, guys. I think this is an absolute game changer.